What's up, guys? Today we're in the remote rainforest of Maui, Hawaii.
In the pan.
We are conquering 6 days of no cell service survival. What do we have? 3 sticks?
2 sticks.
2 sticks and heart. Come on, let's go.
Oh, I'm just a kid. I never use my brain. I only use my heart and my imagination. Oh, I'm just a kid. I always make mistakes. I never say I'm sorry. 'Cause they're mistakes that I made. Get ready.
Mongoose. Asian mongoose.
So pretty much right now, let's go, take a walk. This trail is very animal related because animals are always going on it. So rule number 1 in camping, you never camp by the trail. Because what the trail is, busy animals. But we're on mile 16 right now, so let's keep going.
What type of animals are out here?
Boar, mongoose, pigs, boar,
Damn.
pigs, chicken, anything you can think of.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Let's keep going.
Elk.
What are we thinking, Jetty? What's happening up there?
Slippery.
Slippery?
Slippery.
How did you get up there?
I was born and raised in the Amazon, so back down 13.
Listen, listen.
Oh, hold up. We got people. You filming?
Yeah.
I'm trying to see, man.
Crocodiles in ya.
What is that, Jetty?
It's got some fresh ginger.
Fresh ginger.
Hold it out.
That's a thumbnail. That's a thumb, Jetty.
Kinda sick.
That's pretty cool.
I don't know.
No ginger? Dude, we were supposed to be going to McDonald's, guys. Where are we?
This is how you get to McDonald's.
This is not McDonald's. Where are we, Jetty?
We're going up the river.
We're going up. Jetty, where are we?
Remote Amazon, baby. Come on.
Let's go, baby. Come on.
Holy. Remote. Guys,
Where are we?
you're in the remote right now. It is sketchy. I'm about to climb in a waterfall soon. Come on.
Where are we, Jetty?
We're going to set up camp here tonight. So, beautiful spot. Absolutely stunning.
Looks pretty
We
stunning.
have a couple more trail crossings, and guys, we're the only ones here because it's very remote. Nobody else wants to do this. It's pouring rain. It's dumping 50-mile-per-hour river.
You're not gonna tell them how we built all this?
Guys,
What is it?
Holy smokes. Fresh raspberry on the trail.
No.
Fresh
Oh
raspberry.
my goodness. Jenny,
Where we are.
where are we? This is not raspberry territory.
In fact, I think it is. I don't know about that. That's like the shit Talon ate when he was a kid and died.
Let's keep going, boys.
That is insane. Found a wild avocado, guys. If that doesn't tell you how remote we are, I don't know what will. Look at them all. Avocado tree.
Wow.
Absolutely beautiful.
Jenny, what would you rate this hike out of 10 in Maui?
Oh, it's beautiful.
This is not a hike. This is adventure.
This is not. I would not call this a hike. This is a
What ages would you recommend for this hike?
6'5" and handsome. That's what I would
Hey,
recommend.
right there.
Yeah. Okay. It's a little bumpy.
Quiet.
What's up, guys? Just taking my stroll down the river. Whoa. Oh, I'm about to hit this.
Jenny, where are we?
Telling you, remote Amazon piranhas are everywhere.
Better get those toes out the water.
This feels so good. Dude, that feels insane.
Boy, outdoors, we made it. Let's go. Yes, sir. We made it, Jenny.
After 5 hours,
16
miles.
Jenny is lubricating the water.